Hey Pyro, I'm getting a whole bunch of questions about the Burn Savvy Retreat, and so I just wanted to hop on real quick and just answer those for you. I do have my list of notes here, so if I'm looking down, you know what that's for. So the first question is, of course, what is the wood burning retreat? What are we doing there? And this retreat is a 4-night stay in a luxury cabin tucked into the woods of Flagstaff, Arizona. We will be in the mountains. It's going to be a fairly rural place, and it's really exciting. It's going to be about 2 acres of wooded land. So it's going to be beautiful, and it will be in October. So October 17th through the 21st. That's a Monday through Friday is when we are burning together. And because it's in October, it's going to be gorgeous. There will be so many beautiful autumn colors there. I'm super, super excited. Now, when I say remote location, we are not lost in the woods off where no one will ever find us, okay? This is 2 acres and there are other homes in the area, so you don't have to worry about that. But even still, that neighborhood is in a remote location. We are also going to have classes and workshops, and we will have lots of free burn time. I'm going to have all the top name brand wood burning tools there for you to try so that you can gain your own opinion, because I think that's really important as a pyrographer to gain your own opinion, because I have my opinion, but it's different than other people's opinions because what matters to me is different than what matters to them. And I want you to find a burner that you feel is best for you. We are also going to have a plethora of wood to try, all kinds of different species of wood. And we are going to have also lots of different things like different mediums to burn, like bone and antler and things like that, because that's something else that's really fun to try, are different things that you can burn. And I want to give you that experience. I want you to try that. And I'm so excited to be burning with you. It's going to be really, really fun. So that is the gist of the Burn Savvy Wood Burning Retreat. Okay, next question. Who is this for? So this is for adults, and really any skill level is good, and it's really for anyone who wants to experiment more and explore more the art of pyrography. There are so many cool aspects to pyrography, and I want you to get to try them all. So that is for you if you're looking for quality wood burning and pyrography time with your fellow pyros. Plus, you get to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, and you get to relax in the forest in a cabin with your fellow pyros, with people who understand the same art, because anyone who's done any amount of pyrography knows this is different than everything. It's different than painting. It's different than drawing or sketching or anything like that. It's different than the traditional art forms out there. So it's really nice to be burning with people who understand your successes, understand your failures, understand all of that, because they've been there, and they can also help because they've been right where you are. And then you, in turn, can help others who are struggling with something that you've already conquered. Do I have to have a certain skill level? No, you do not. If you are a complete beginner, you can come to the retreat. If you are an expert, you can come to the retreat. The beauty of this is that we are exploring the art of pyrography, and you will learn just by doing, right? And when you are learning in a group, then you learn from their experience and their experience on top of your own. And so it's just expanding the amount of learning. It's incredible. I love learning in a group. And then you also have the opportunity to try all of these different tools, all of these different mediums that otherwise you might not have been able to try. And you can find out what you love to burn before buying it. And I think that that is really, really valuable. So no skill level required. Do I need to provide my own food or my own lodging? No. This is an all-inclusive retreat. So where some retreats you might go and you have to get your own hotel and you have to get your own ride to and from every day, this one is inclusive. So you will be staying on site with us there at the retreat. You don't have to worry about all of that. You also don't have to worry about food. You don't have to leave to go get yourself lunch or dinner every day while you're there. that will be provided. We will have catered options, and we will have some self-serve options there in the fridge and in the pantry, kind of a thing, so that you will have foods there that you can choose from. It's going to be really good. The only transportation that you have to think about really is getting yourself to the retreat and getting yourself home. Once you're there, we'll take care of the rest. You don't have to worry about any of that. But any flights or, a shuttle or an Uber or a taxi over from the airport to the retreat, those are the only bits of transportation that you have to worry about. Everything else, we're taking care of. We've got the food, we've got the lodging, we've got the pyrography goodies. You don't have to pay extra tuition. You don't have to do any of that kind of stuff. All of that is already included. Will you be teaching business and social media classes? This retreat is going to focus a lot on art and crafts and getting you experienced and knowledgeable in this art, finishing projects and things like that. If you do want business classes, you will have an opportunity to vote on your classes on the itinerary, and if it gets the popular vote, we will be happy to teach that at the retreat. Will you have any local excursions? Possibly. And if we do, it's going to be really fun. If we do have an excursion, your tickets will be covered, your transportation to it and from will be covered. So we will take care of all of that for you. Okay? Okay, next question. What brand of wood burning pens will you have at the retreat? Okay, I'm going to have Colwood's, Razor Tip, Optima, Burnmaster, True Art, Tech Chic, Walnut Hollow, Newman, Dremel, and possibly more. I've had a couple of people reach out to me. I might be able to have some other tools there. I'm planning to have my branding iron there. I'm planning to have scorch markers there. There were going to be lots of things for you to explore. So those are the big name brands, and then possibly some extras. Okay, next. What mediums will we be burning? Well, obviously wood, right? And we'll have several different species there because I want you to get to experiment with different hardwoods as well as different softwoods. And, hardwoods and softwoods scientifically are not equivalent to actual hardness versus softness of wood. And so I want you to get to try these different woods to see what you actually like, because there are some that I thought I would just fall in love with and I didn't. And there were others that I was really surprised by. So I want you to get to experiment with that and try all of that. Now, aside from wood, we will also have bone, leather, antler, fabric, cork, paper, and we will have gourds. So I want you to get to try all of those things. We may possibly have others, but for sure, those will be there at the retreat for you to try. I'm super excited for you to try it out. My next question, can I get a discount? Yes, if you sign up by March 14th, Arizona time, that's like right now, then you can get $100 off of whatever ticket that you buy. $100. So I really encourage you, if that's important to you, to sign up during the early bird special. So, do that now. Go check the link and do it now. You can also save money by paying in full versus doing the payment plan. When you pay in full, you save $150 also. So that is another way to save. The next question, if I am not from the United States, can I still come? Great question. So if you are not from the United States, you are certainly invited. I would love to see you there. It's just a matter of if you can get yourself there. If you can get yourself to Flagstaff, Arizona, and then get yourself to the retreat, you are welcome to come. So it's just a matter of making sure that you can get the transportation there, based on whatever restrictions are in your country right now or anything like that. So you're definitely invited, and I'd love to see you there. Okay, next question. What is the nearest airport? Flagstaff, Pulliam Airport. Okay, the airport code is FLG. Flagstaff, FLG. So be looking for that, and you can get flights there. The next question is basically, what's the weather like in Flagstaff, Arizona in October when we'll be going? So the average high is 64 degrees, or that's Fahrenheit, or 17 degrees Celsius. And the average low is 42 degrees Fahrenheit or 6 degrees Celsius. So if that's chilly for you, make sure to pack for that, okay? And if that's warm for you, make sure to pack for that. Before the retreat, if you've signed up, you will be getting a suggested packing list that will include some of these details to help you in your packing. Of course, they're just suggestions because every one of us is different. You need to make sure you're taking care of your needs. So I will make sure to include those things, such as the weather, in those packing suggestions. Okay? Okay, next thing is, things to know. So just a couple of things that I wanted to make sure that you guys are aware of. There are stairs to access the property. So there's a 2-step stair at the front door entrance, and there is a 5-step stair from the garage entrance. So either way, there are some stairs to navigate. Thing number 2 is that there is Wi-Fi provided, but it may be a little bit spotty because of the rural nature of the place that we are going. I just wanted to make sure that you knew that we have Wi-Fi, but it might not be super reliable because it's going to be such a beautiful, awesome remote location. So those are the biggest questions that I've been receiving, but there are others that I've answered on the frequently asked questions section. So if you go to burnsavvy.com/retreat, scroll down, you can get to the frequently asked questions section. And there will be other questions there with other answers. I just wanted to answer the biggest ones here on this video. So if you have more questions, feel free to go check those out. And then of course, if that didn't answer your question, you can always message me or email me, replying to your emails if you're on my newsletter list, or you can message me on social media, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I do have people who are asking time-sensitive questions. Just understand, I have 6 children. My youngest is 9 months old, and this is my part-time gig that I do. And so I will get to it as soon as I possibly can. I definitely value your time. I love chatting with my fellow pyros. I love getting to talk with you and seeing you, and hopefully I will get to burn with you at the Burn Savvy Woodburning Retreat this fall, October 17th through the 21st. Go sign up, burnsavvy.com/retreat. Go get your tickets. I cannot wait to be burning with you. It's going to be amazing. Absolutely amazing. I am super excited to be burning with you guys. So go sign up. I'll see you there. Later, Pyro. Just a quick little PS. I have already sent out the first set of welcome gifts to those who've already signed up. So if you want to get yours, go sign up. Everyone who signs up for the retreat is going to get a welcome gift with a personalized card from me. So I hope that you sign up and get your welcome gift now. Just go to burnsavvy.com/retreat. Scroll down and click the Book Now button. That will take you to the booking section where you can choose the tickets you want, place them in your cart, fill out your details, and click the green button to reserve your tickets today, or click the arrow where you can pay through PayPal. Space is limited. Book your pyro escape with Burn Savvy Woodburning Retreat tickets today. See you there. Later, Pyro.